all the president and the secretary of Shillong Press Club, who actually took this initiative to make a proposal and come forward to meet with us to have this football match for the celebration of World Press Freedom Day.
We would also like to Sri D.P. Walam, IAS.
Our chief guest in today's function, Madam Kong Amreen Lingdo, who is the Secretary of Information and Public Relations, Ba Siang Shai, who is the Shillong. All are here to celebrate the freedom that the press enjoy, the unbiased, the unprejudiced reporting that all of you have been engaging in. And I'm very glad that me and my team, we are all here to engage with all of you to celebrate this special day. Artificial intelligence and the impact thereof on reporting. It is very important as pressmen to be digitally literate so that all of you can see that what we are reporting is correct, and also to live up to the latest trends in reporting. We have to combat your printing and newspapers and all that, which is always in black and white, competing with social media. So all of you need to update your digital skills. That is the only way to keep up and also ensure that reporting reaches to the last mile.
UNESCO, reporting in the brave new world, the impact of artificial intelligence on press freedom and the media. There is no doubt that the press in Meghalaya is a press which is very exceptional. It is a press which is very forceful, a press which is highly alert. And today, as technology is a dominant factor in press reporting, it is important for us to celebrate this Press Freedom Day by talking about the biggest challenge of this generation of press media. Artificial intelligence, as we know, is exciting, has transformative potentials, but at the same time, everybody is fearful of the artificial intelligence that can generate so much disruption, untruth in the otherwise very, very diligent and truthful representation of the truth in all of our media channels. We are very well informed that fake news is the mantra of the day, and very often governments and other agencies are easily swayed by such news, and verification of news becomes a very, very important agenda. We must ensure that technology should serve the truth and not distort it. We must remember that core values of journalism like independence, accuracy, accountability should supersede the power and the presence of technology in the media around us. The government of Meghalaya is concerned and is already in a dialogue and a discourse to come up with various programs to support the media fraternity. We must ensure that we put in place training programs, fact-checking tools, and encourage responsible, innovative modalities for breastfeeding. I hope that in the years to come, even our country will be able to step up and come up with policies that can contain the misuse of AI-generated information. It's UNESCO have heralded the importance of having capable press personnel who will fight artificial intelligence and champion the freedom of the media and the press.
All the best. All the best. All the best, sir. All the best, sir. All the best.
Lari kill. Lari last man mo. Check, lari. Last man, last man.